My name is Matthew Shine and I'm the Sales Director here at Samco, and today I'm going to speak a little bit about our field lift. So we have three models, a 2-leg, a 3-leg and a 5-leg. The model that we have here today is a 3-leg in grassland format. You will see that the main frame is well built using high-grade steel. On the front you'll also notice a lifting bracket that this machine can be easily loaded or unloaded from a truck or moved from shed to shed without the need of using a tractor. So on all model of field lifts, they are all accompanied by 2 accumulators. These 2 accumulators are attached to the 3 legs on this particular model. This is to protect the subsoiler and its legs when coming in contact with large stones. The pressure is then set in the cab by the operator depending on the soil conditions. To protect the leg even further, each one can move independently from left to right at an angle of 10 degrees. Each leg is pivoted from the front of the main frame, which is encased in a 70mm brass bushing to reduce wear. In all of our grassland model field lifts, each one is fitted with a depth control gauge, which is clearly visible from the cab. When the field lift is equipped with a rear roller, the operator, using the hydraulics, can lift the roller and lower the roller. This will in turn change the depth of the subsoiler while working. So the front cutting disc is available on the 2- and 3-leg grassland models. They are hinged from the front of the main frame, and like the legs, they can swing from left to right. The disc is hinged on a 50cm high tensile shaft, which is hinged from the front of the main frame. If you do not require the front cutting disc, they can be easily removed. In our subsoiler, we use a Tim Howard designed leg. You will notice there are different holes to enable the operator to choose the angle and depth that they require when working in the field. Our leg has an easy to replace wear tip. We offer 2 sizes, an 8-inch and a 12-inch. The 8-inch is historically used in grassland when working at a depth of 30 centimeters. When working in more arable ground, working up to 60 centimeters, the option is to go for the 12-inch tip. Another extra that you can also purchase with the field lift are the depth control wheels. They can fit onto the 2-leg, 3-leg and even the 5-leg. It's an easy attached bracket that fits under the outside of the main frame. The Samco Field-Lift is a hard-working, well-built, robust machine and is suitable to work in many soil conditions and for many years to come. The Samco Field-Lift is one of the machines in our wide range of Samco cultivation equipment.